How to buy coins on Ludo King. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to buy coins on Ludo King. Buying coins on Ludo King is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open Ludo King game on your mobile device. Log in using your preferred method, Facebook, Google or as a guest if required. On the main menu, tap on the store icon usually represented by a shopping cart. In the store, select the coins tab. Choose the desired amount of coin you want to purchase. Tap on the price button next to the coin pack. You will be directed to your device App Store, Google Play Store or Apple Play Store. Complete the purchase by following the on-screen instruction. Once the instruction is complete, the coin will be added to your account. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can buy coins on Ludo King. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.